Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm here again with this new video. In this video, I'm going to teach you some sentences with Urdu translation. These sentences will help you to speak English fluently and confidently. Without wasting your time, let's get started.
I am short of money. I am short of money. मेरे पास दौलत नहीं है या मेरे पास पैसे नहीं हैं. नेक्स्ट, blow your nose. blow मीन साफ करना. blow your nose अपना नाक साफ करो. blow your nose अपना नाक साफ करो. such happens and such happenings. such happens and such happenings. इसका मतलब है इस तरह तो होता है ऐसे ऐसे कामों में. इस तरह तो होता है ऐसे ऐसे कामों में. You can get my book. You can get my book. तुम मेरी किताब ले सकते हो. तुम मेरी किताब ले सकते हो. You can get my book. Don't exceed your limits. Exceed mean हद से ज़्यादा. Don't exceed your limits. अपनी हद से तजावज़ न करो. Limits हद. Don't exceed your limits. अपनी हद से तजावज़ न करो. Go ahead, I will follow you. Go ahead, I will follow you. आगे बढ़ो, मैं आपके साथ हूँ. आगे बढ़ो, मैं आपके साथ हूँ. He called me. He called me. Call mean बुलाना. उसने मुझे बुलाया. He called me. उसने मुझे बुलाया. Next. Practice what you preach. Practice what you preach. जो कहते हो उस पर अमल करो. जो कहते हो उस पर अमल करो. Practice what you preach. I will take him in confidence. I will take him in confidence. मैं उसे एतमाद में लूँगा. Which is your favorite color? Which is your favorite color का मतलब है आपका पसंदीदा रंग कौन सा है. आपका पसंदीदा रंग कौन सा है. Next, is this your car? Is this your car? क्या ये आपकी गाड़ी है या क्या ये तुम्हारी गाड़ी है. Next, no, this is not my car. No, this is not my car. नहीं, ये मेरी गाड़ी नहीं है. नहीं, ये मेरी गाड़ी नहीं है. Who is that man? Who is that man? वो आदमी कौन है. Who is that man? वो आदमी कौन है. Next, that man is my friend. That man is my friend. वो आदमी मेरा दोस्त है. वो आदमी मेरा दोस्त है. Next, that man is very smart. That man is very smart. वो आदमी बहुत ज़हीन है. वो आदमी बहुत ज़हीन है. Where is the mosque? Where is the mosque? मस्जिद कहाँ है. Mosque mean मस्जिद. Where is the mosque? मस्जिद कहाँ है. Where is the school? Where is the school? School कहाँ है. School कहाँ है. Next, where is the church? Where is the church? Church कहाँ है. Church कहाँ है. That's it for today, alright? Stay well and keep learning with us. Thank you.